from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:56 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 38 nautical miles south of Gulf Shores Beach to 45 nautical miles south of Farewell Buoy, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location: waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. A line of strong thunderstorms will affect